Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos or videos from iPhone to USB flash drive. All right, let's begin. First, connect your USB flash drive to your iPhone. Make sure the drive is compatible with your iPhone's port type. If it isn't, make sure to use an OTG to convert the Type-C cable into Lightning cable. Once connected, open the Files app. Wait a few seconds for the flash drive to appear under Browse. If it shows up, your device has recognized the drive correctly. Note that the connected device will appear in the Files app. As I don't have a device currently, I can't show you in real time, but I can walk you through the steps. Next, leave the Files app and open the Photos app. Select the photos or videos you want to transfer. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen, then scroll down and choose Save to Files. You'll now see a list of locations. Tap the Back button if needed and select your flash drive from the list. Choose the folder where you want to store the files or create a new one. After selecting the folder, tap Save in the top right corner. This will copy the selected photos or videos from your iPhone to the USB flash drive. You can now return to the Photos app and delete the files if you want to free up space on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can transfer photos or videos from iPhone to USB flash drive. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.